There are houses to buy. It's possible. Hi, are you thinking that you want to take advantage of this great seller's market and buy a house, but you're wondering, are there even any houses to buy? Well, I do have good news for you. Yes, there are houses to buy in every price point and in every city. Did you know that in 2020, we broke all records for buying and selling real estate in the Twin Cities? And that was during COVID. And 2021 was also a phenomenal year. So yes, there are houses to buy. But here's the biggest thing. You need to be a non-contingent buyer to be in the strongest position to be able to buy a house. And how will that happen, you say? If you have a house to sell, most people have to sell their house first and then buy the next house, which of course opens the possibility of being homeless, which no one wants. Well, here's some really, really good news. There's a local lender here in town called Onward Financing that has a program called Mortgage to Move. This program allows qualified homeowners to buy their new house first, close on it, and then move in, and then sell their old house. How awesome is that? If you're interested, I would love to talk to you more about this. In fact, I have some clients right now that utilize this program, and they're going to close in 2 weeks on their brand new house that they love. It's perfect. It checked all the boxes. We're going to get them closed and moved in, and then in 3 weeks, we're going to list and sell their old house. It lowered the stress level for their transaction just monumentally. So I'd love the opportunity to speak with you more about this. If you want more information, just click the Learn More button and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching.